Globalism is defined by the free flow of trade, people, money, ideas and technology across national borders and regions. Despite its economic benefits, globalization has come under pressure from those who say that nations jeopardize opportunity for citizens at home by embracing globalism. Will this populist outcry lead to deglobalization? Odilon Almeida, Western Union Global Money Transfer President, shares his insights on this economic divide.
At Western Union, our job is much more than moving money. It's about connecting people. It's about getting the people that is arriving in a country and be able to connect them back to the country that they came from. That's our mission. Countries with aging populations need people immigrating. Countries with excess of young people will supply that kind of labor force. There are some countries that are doing a very good job on organizing immigration. For example, Canada and Australia. It's not about resisting immigration, it's not about fighting immigration, inhibiting immigration. The real question here is about organizing immigration in some way that is good for the hosting country, for the local population, and for the immigrant.